Here in this session we discuss question number 7 IPE problem paper 1A mass functions chapter question number 7. These questions are very important. Totally I give you 11 problems. The 11 long answer questions. These 11 long answer questions very important for IPE purpose. IPE exam purpose 11 questions మీకు ఇస్తా. ఈ 11 questions లో 6 completed. This is the 7th problem. So these 11 problems are very important for IPE purpose. So students, you don't forget practice these 7 functions long answer questions. One must be in IPE examination. So here what is the 7th problem? You see all of you. Let F set of 1 comma A, 2 comma C, 3 comma B, 4 comma D. F is equal to set of order pair 1 comma A, 2 comma C, 3 comma B, 4 comma D. And G inverse is equal to 2 comma A, 4 comma B, 1 comma C, 3 comma D. Then show that G circle F whole inverse is equal to F inverse circle G inverse. So same problem, same method problem we already completed in 6th problem, 6th second part of the problem. So on this is also completed theorem in theorem question. Okay, so this is the we want to prove this one. Okay, all of you. So what given here you write first. What is the function F? Function F is set of order pair 1 comma A, 2 comma C, 3 comma B and 4 comma D. These are the order pairs given. And G inverse function is given. This is order pair 2 comma A and 4 comma B and 1 comma C and 3 comma D. These order pairs are given. So from G is equal to what? G inverse is given like this. And G is equal to what? Order pair A comma 2. And order pair these two are interchange. This is B comma 4. Order pair C comma 1. Order pair D comma 3. So G inverse is this one and G is interchange the two ordinates, two elements in this order pair. So this one. Okay. Similarly, what is F inverse? F inverse is equal to this is change the this order pair. Thus interchange the order pair and C comma 2 and B comma 3 and D comma 4. So this is the F inverse. You write F of 1 is equal to what is F of 1? A. And F of 2 is what? F of 2 is equal to C. And F of 3 is equal to what? B. F of 4 is equal to what? D. And F inverse of A is equal to 1 and F inverse of C is equal to 2 and F inverse of B is equal to 3 and F inverse of D is equal to 4. Okay, all of you. And from this, what is G of A? G of A is equal to 2. G of B is equal to 4. G of C is equal to 1. G of D is equal to 3. Images. These are the images of this one. And G inverse of 2 image. G inverse of 2 image A and G inverse of 4 image B and G inverse of 1 image C and G inverse of 3 image D. Okay, all of you. This first we have to find the value of G circle F. So G circle F. G circle F of 1. G circle F. So G circle F of 1 is equal to G of F of 1. But G of what is F of 1? Here F of 1 is A. F of 1 is A. What is G of A? G of A is equal to 2. Then what is the order pair? 1, 2. Okay, all of you. Next, G circle F of 2 is equal to G of F of 2 is equal to what is F of 2? F of 2 is equal to C. F of 2 is equal to C. What is G of C? G of C is equal to 1. G of C is equal to 1. G of C is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Then order pair what? 2, 1. 2, 1. Next, G circle F of G circle, this one complete. G circle F of 3 is equal to G of F of 3 is equal to G of what is F of 3? F of 3 image B. What is G of B? G of B image 4 is equal to 4. Then what is order pair? 3, 4. G circle F of 4 equal to G circle F of 4 is equal to then G of F of 4. What is F of 4? 4 image D. So G of D. What is G of D? G of D. G of D. D image is 3 is equal to 3. Then 4, 3. Then what is G circle F? G circle F is equal to set of order pair 1, 2 and 2, 1. 3, 4 and 4, 3. These are the G circle F. Then G circle F whole inverse is equal to, these are interchange 2, 1 and 1, 2. 4, 3 and 3, 4. This is the G circle F. Okay, all of you. G circle F whole inverse. This is the G circle F. By observing G circle F is nothing but G circle F whole inverse. So we have to find G circle F. G circle F is the LHS of the problem. So you write here G circle F whole inverse. G circle F whole inverse. Here we want G circle F whole inverse. G circle F whole inverse is equal to set of 2, 1 and 1, 2. 4, 3 and 3, 4. This is the G circle F. Okay, all of you. Then we have to find F inverse circle G inverse. RHS of the problem. F inverse circle G inverse. So F inverse circle G inverse. So G inverse of 2. First one G inverse of 2. So G inverse. So F inverse circle G inverse is equal of 2 is equal to, or of 1 is 1 is equal to F inverse of G inverse of 1 you find. So F inverse of G inverse of 1 is equal to what? C. But F inverse of C is equal to what? F inverse of C is equal to 2 from this one. F inverse of C is equal to 2. Then what is the order pair? 1, 2. So F inverse circle G inverse of 2 is equal to F inverse of G inverse of 2 but G inverse of 2 is equal to what? G inverse of 2. G inverse of 2 is equal to A. That is F inverse of A is equal to what? F inverse of A is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Then what is the order pair? This is 2 comma 1. Next, F inverse circle G inverse of 3 is equal to F inverse of G inverse of 3 is equal to F inverse of G inverse of 3 is equal to what? D is equal to F inverse of D is equal to what? F inverse of D is equal to 4. Then this is 3 comma 4. Then F inverse circle G inverse of 4 is equal to F inverse of G inverse of 4. This is equal to F inverse of 4. F inverse of G inverse of 4 is equal to what? G inverse of 4. G inverse of 4. G inverse of 4 is equal to B. This is F inverse of B is equal to what? 4. F inverse of B is equal to F inverse of B is equal to 3. Then what is order pair? 4 comma 3. So we have to write F inverse circle G inverse order pairs. This is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. By observing these two, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. By observing these two, what we can conclude that here by observing 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, that is G circle F whole inverse is equal to F inverse circle G inverse is the hence proved. This is the long answer question for IPE problems. Okay, all of you. 7th problem for IPE long answer question. Very, very important problem. So, thank you for watching all of you.